This morning, we are all waiting to see what state officials will decide when it comes to a controversial abortion law here in Georgia.
A decision could really come down on this as early as this week. 11 Alive's Ariana Manise has been tracking the story.
Ariana, we've been following this story now for about 3 years. Walk us through this process where we are at this point now, as a lot of people are waiting to see what's going to happen, especially following Roe v. Wade's decision.
Yeah, that's right, Aisha and Cheryl. Lawyers for and against the law, they submitted legal briefs on Friday to the court. Now, these legal documents gives us some insight into how both sides are defending their case before the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals after the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Now, lawyers who are representing the state in their letter to the court, they say plaintiffs who are challenging this law, they no longer have a case since the Supreme Court ruled on Dobbs versus Jackson's Women's Health. And lawyers representing reproductive groups, they are acknowledging in their brief that the Supreme Court's ruling does clear the way for Georgia's heartbeat law, but they're now shifted their focus to a provision called the personhood provision. Now, this measure gives a fetus legal rights and allows parents to claim a fetus on their state taxes. And lawyers are arguing this provision is unconstitutionally vague and should remain blocked. Now, I spoke to a lawyer who's been following this case closely, who laid out a possible timeline on when judges could issue their ruling. Take a listen.
It's possible that it could take days, weeks, or even months, but likely we anticipate that they're going to be making their decision in the next few weeks. Now, even if the court does decide to allow the HB 481 to go into effect, that decision will not allow it will not go into effect for 28 days.
Meanwhile, until judges do issue their ruling, abortions here in the state of Georgia will remain legal. Back to you.
Ariana, thank you.